Toys, books, and toys. They're everywhere, especially at Christmas time. And chances are great your kids are going to get new toys and new books. My name is Tammy and I'm with Family of Purpose, and I have a simple but profound Christmas hack for you, especially for those of you that like to keep things neat and tidy or make sure that their kids' rooms and playrooms don't get overwhelmed. Here's the hack. Involve your kids. Go through their rooms before Christmas, a week or so before Christmas. Get rid of all the toys that they don't play with, that are shoved in their closet, or books that they don't read. Let your kids help. Explain to them, hey, I bet you're gonna get lots of new things at Christmas. Let's go ahead and go through your rooms and figure out what you don't play with to make room for all that new stuff. Now, here's the kicker. You could do one of two ways. We did it several times when our kids were little. I anticipated them getting new stuff and wanted to get rid of the other stuff that they don't play with to bless other people. So here's what we did. We put everything in a big fabric bag and put it by our fireplace. Now, you could do one of two things. One is you can have Santa take that bag of toys on Christmas Eve, and then he can deliver it to a children's home or someone that can be blessed by them. Or if you choose, you can take them as a family. What a great way to teach your kids to give back. A few days before Christmas, box everything up or use a fabric bag and go to a children's home or a children's place or a Goodwill store that could bless some other children. This is a great way to teach your kids the value of giving and loving kids their own age at Christmas time, where we tend to be a little bit more me inclusive. What a great thing to do for our families and our friends, and it's a win-win because you have made room for their anticipated new toys and books that they'll enjoy after Christmas. So we hope that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel and enjoy all these hacks, because these hacks hopefully are helping you to be happier and healthier as a family, as well as keep your kids' rooms tidy and cleaned up. Until next time, have a great Christmas. Please share your favorite Christmas traditions because we all could use help and encouragement. Merry Christmas from our family to your family.